Christ. Up, lawnmower! Ah! Go away! Finally. Hello? More! Hey, buddy! What are you doing? You know how early it is? I don't want you mowing my lawn. I don't want you mowing his lawn or her lawn or that dude's lawn. I don't want you mowing anyone's lawns. What are you doing here? I'm trying to sleep. Ah! If there's one thing I hate, it's waking up in the morning. Lawn mowers, leaf blowers blowing. It keeps me up when I'm trying to sleep, and I need my sleep if I'm supposed to go to school tonight. Or something.